Coffee lovers know that the secret to an exceptional cup lies not just in the beans but also in how they're ground. Whether you're crafting espresso, French press, or drip coffee, the perfect grind is crucial to achieving your desired taste and texture. In this guide, we explore the 5 best coffee grinders on the market, catering to various preferences, budgets, and brewing methods. Number 5. Black Decker One-Touch Coffee Grinder, 2/3 cup coffee bean capacity, spice grinder, one-touch push-button control -150 watts stainless steel blades. About this item: stainless steel blades and bowl. The sharp blades and durable grinding bowl are built to last, delivering uniform grinds with every use. Grind your favorites. Stainless steel blades quickly grind your favorite coffee beans, herbs, spices, grains, and more. One-touch push-button control. Intuitive push-button control lets you easily customize the grind consistency, from coarse to fine. Lid-locking safety feature. No spills, no accidents. The integrated safety mechanism allows the blades to turn on only when the lid is securely locked. 30% better grinding. This coffee grinder makes it simple to achieve the uniform grind that makes a delicious cup of coffee. Includes coffee grinder, grinder bowl. Number 4. Cuisinart Coffee Grinder, Electric Burr One-Touch Automatic Grinder with 18-position grind selector, stainless steel, DBM 8P1. About this item: enjoy optimum flavor. Burr grinding provides a uniform grind to your fresh coffee beans with its 18-position grind selector. Move the slide dial from ultra-fine to extra coarse to ensure your coffee grounds are exactly the way you prefer. BPA-free UC cubic feet, 0.465, MC cubic feet, 0.558. Removable features. Our 8 ounces bean hopper is fully removable, as well as our built-in grind chamber for ease of use and accessibility during the cleaning process. Heavy-duty motor, grind chamber. Our removable grind chamber holds enough ground coffee for 32 cups. You won't have to worry about grinding beans multiple times to brew coffee for the entire household. One-touch grind. The one-touch power bar is separate from the unit and complemented by an electric timer that automatically shuts off the unit when your grind cycle is complete. Convenient design. Our heavy-duty unit motor doesn't take away space for additional design features. Enjoy the convenience of cord storage and an additional scoop/cleaning brush to declutter, clean, and maximize counter space. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Electric Coffee Grinder for beans, spices, and more. Stainless steel blades, removable chamber, makes up to 12 cups. White. About this item: easy cleanup, dishwasher-safe grinding bowl. The grinding bowl on this coffee bean grinder is designed with a durable stainless steel base. The bowl is removable for easy filling and pouring and is dishwasher-safe. Grind enough to brew up to 12 cups of coffee, if you love the delicious taste of coffee made from freshly ground beans. This electric coffee grinder is perfect for the job, whether you're grinding coffee for a quick cup or a full pot. Great for herbs and spices. Conveniently grind peppercorns, fennel, and other herbs and spices for recipes or to keep on hand in the kitchen. Also great for grinding sesame, flax, chia, and other seeds for smoothies, protein shakes, or to add to food. Simple, intuitive. The coffee grinder is so easy to use that you'll want to drink flavorful coffee made from freshly ground coffee beans every day. Just place the lid on the grinder and press the button to grind coffee. Release to stop grinding. Durable stainless steel blades. With the durable stainless steel blades, the small coffee grinder makes easy work of grinding everything from coffee beans to herbs and spices. Number 2. Amazon Basics Electric Coffee Grinder, Coffee Bean and Spice Grinder, with heavy-duty stainless steel grind blades. About this item, electric coffee bean grinder appliance for home use. Can grind 30 grams/1 ounce of beans for drip coffee brewing in 10 seconds. Grind coffee beans, herbs, spices, grains, nuts, and more. Clear safety lid allows you to easily see the results in progress. Heavy-duty stainless steel grind blade. Compact design perfect for countertop use. Number 1. OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder, Silver. About this item, stainless steel conical burrs create uniform grounds for optimal flavor. 15 grind size settings, plus additional micro settings, from fine for espresso to coarse for French press and cold brew. One touch start remembers your last setting, just push to grind. Large capacity hopper holds up to 3/4 pound per 12 ounces of coffee beans. UV blocking tint shields coffee beans from UV rays. Mess-free hopper with trapdoor keeps beans contained when you remove it. Stainless steel static fighting container significantly reduces static. Powerful DC motor preserves flavor and won't overheat beans.